Hey everybody, this is Bob. I'm here with Ben from Egan Design Group here in the Pine Hills, and we're talking today about the Windstorm. They purchased it last year, and Ben wanted to tell us a little bit about how it's helping his bottom line and saving time.
Hello, so we got the Windstorm last year at the end of the season, and it replaced 4 guys doing all the walking trails. It saved us quite a few hours doing roadsides. It's very easy to use. If you've ever used a V-Ride, it's very similar, and all the controls are right at your fingertips. You can blow and turn all at the same time, and it's just a wonderful machine.